Hi to everyone. I'm Dianga Ochino, the CEO and founder of Diro Jewelers and Enterprises. We are producers of handcrafted fashion accessories, and our raw material of choice is brass. And that's because brass is a hypoallergenic, which means it does not cause allergies. We work with other locally available raw material like horn, bone, which we source from KMC and other, they call them abattoirs. I work in partnership with Artisans who Kibera at the Hookers Market. So on the material day, the 18th of March, at 3:30 a.m., 3 a.m. thereabout, a fire raced down part of the production site. And two of my lead artisans were affected, but it's a huge area and not just two people were affected. Countless families were affected. Their source of livelihood was affected. So part of our equipment got lost. We lost the production site, which was in iron sheet buildings or structures. We also lost inventory, we lost equipment. And to this end, we started an M-Changa fund, which has been extremely instrumental in helping to raise some monies. So far, we've been able to raise at least 90K, and we have withdrawn 60K. The bulk of the amount has gone to two of my lead artisans, and were previously in iron sheet structures. And I'm happy to report that now two of those lead artisans are in permanent buildings. And for that, I just really want to thank you because your contribution has gone a long way into helping us further that cause. And we're appealing further for more assistance in the way of getting equipment. And if you are led to give, if you have not yet given, we have several giving options. One is via M-Pesa, and you can use the pay number 891-300, and the account number is Ginene by Diro in caps lock, in capital letters. Also, if you're giving through the Equitel or Airtel platform, you can use the account number 46074, and the name of the M-Changa Fund is Rebuilding Diro Artisans. You can also give via Visa or PayPal. All you need to do is to find the M-Changa Fund, and the name of the fund is Rebuilding Diro Artisans. Then you can follow the rest of the prompts, and we will be very grateful.